friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be making tortilla chips in the air fryer. To make these tortilla chips, all we need are tortillas. You can use flour tortillas or corn tortillas or low-carb tortillas, any ones you like. And we also need olive oil and seasonings. I'm just going to use salt, but you can use taco seasoning or any spices you like. So the first step would be to take flour tortillas and brush them with oil. I'm going to take out a tortilla, put a little bit of oil on it, and use a pastry brush to brush it. And I will flip it to the other side and do the same thing. So add a little bit of oil and brush it to spread it evenly. And now I will do the same with the second tortillas. I will cook 2 tortillas at a time. Now when you add the second tortillas, you can just rub it on the oil side of the first tortilla. So this way you don't need to add oil on that side. See how now this side is oiled? And we will add oil on the top side. And brush it with a brush to coat. Now I will move the tortillas to the cutting board. I will just stack them on top of the other, and I will cut them into triangles. Now let's take out the air fryer basket, and we will put the tortilla chips in the air fryer. So let's separate them and put them in the air fryer. And I will sprinkle them with seasoning. So in my case, it's salt. And since now the seasoning is only covering the top, later when I shake them, I will add more seasoning. So let's put them in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 350 degrees. And I will set the time to 5 minutes. Now when the air fryer is done cooking, let's take out the basket. And the tortilla chips, they're almost cooked, but not quite. So at this point, we're going to shake them to mix, and we're also going to season them again. And shake, and let's put the basket back in the air fryer and set the temperature to 350 degrees and set the time to 2 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at these tortilla chips. They're perfectly cooked, brown and crispy. They are perfect, so crunchy. Now let's try a chip. So crispy. This is perfect. So much better than the store-bought tortilla chips. For a printable recipe, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my cooking channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.